Dear students, today we will be discussing about the 8th Sikh Guru, Guru HARKRISHAN ji, because today is the Prakash Dihada or Agman Divas or birth of the 8th Guru, Guru HARKRISHAN ji. There is a very popular saying about the Sikh Guru, that is, Shri Harkrishan te aiye, jis dithe sab dukh jaye. Regarding the dukh, sorrow, in Guru Granth Sahib or the Gurmat, it is classified in 4 types of the sorrows of the dukh. One dukh is, it is of death, maut da dukh. Second is disease, rog da dukh. Tisra, man di bhukh. Chautha, vichhode di bhukh. Guru HARKRISHAN ji was born on 7th July 1656 at Kirtpur Sahib. His father's name was the 7th Sikh Guru, Guru Har Rai ji, and mother's name was Mata Kishan Kaur ji. The place where he was born, there is one Gurdwara, that is Sheesh Mahal Gurdwara at Kirtpur Sahib. Guruji was 5 years old when the 7th Guruji demised. And that is why he was given the Guru Gaddi when he was just 5 years old, on 6th October 1661 at Kirtpur Sahib. At the death of the 7th Guru, 6th Guruji said no one should cry over 8th Guruji said no one should cry over the death of the 7th Guruji. Everyone should recite the hymns. At Kirtpur Sahib, Guruji set up, developed one dispensary where the people from far off places come for their treatment, particularly for the leprosy. Guruji served the people in this way. The elder brother of Guru HARKRISHAN ji, that is Ram Rai, was disinherited by the 7th Guru, Guru Har Rai ji, because he misinterpreted some shloks of the Guru Granth Sahib. He was at Lahore when the Guru Gaddi was given to the 8th Guruji. Then Ram Rai, started making conspiracies to be a parallel Guru. He even approached the Aurangzeb and asked to help him. Aurangzeb said, I cannot intervene in the affairs of the Guruship. But yes, I'll give you some Jagir where you can have your own establishment. And Ram Rai was given the 7 villages where Ram Rai developed one dera and nowadays this place is known as Dehradun in Uttarakhand. Now, Aurangzeb wanted to call Guruji to Delhi, but Guruji already declared that I won't meet Aurangzeb. Then Aurangzeb approached Sawai Jai Singh and asked him to bring the child Guru to the Delhi, because large number of Sikh followers were there and they were also interested to have a glimpse of their Guru. It was a fact. Then Jai Singh asked his Diwan Parsuram to bring the Guruji to Delhi. On the way, Guruji stopped near Ambala, where nowadays Panjokhda Sahib Gurdwara is there. It was here that one Brahman, one Pandit Lal Chand, he visited the Darbar of the Guruji. He was very well read person and well versed in the various literatures. He didn't wish Guruji and sat in the divan of Guruji. And he started asking Guruji to explain the hymns of the Bhagavad Gita, because your name is Krishna, HARKRISHAN. Guruji said, you bring any person, any illiterate person, any person, he will explain. Then Pandit Lal Chand brought one illiterate person, Chaju Ram. Guruji put a stick on the head of that illiterate man and he started reciting the hymns of the Bhagavad Gita. Lal Chand later on realized his mistake and became a follower of the Guruji. Guruji approached near Delhi. Sawai Jai Singh himself came to receive the Guruji and asked him to stay in his residence, Bangla. Guruji stayed there for some time, but later on, Guruji realized that certainly Aurangzeb will insist to meet Guruji, but Guruji said, no, I am not going to meet the Aurangzeb. That is why he shifted from here. He left the Bangla of Jai Singh and went to the Dharamshala of Kalyana in the middle of the city. And suddenly, smallpox spread. Severe smallpox spread in the city. It was a very congested area. And it spread like a wildfire in the entire locality. Guruji started querying the people, and he queried a lot of people of smallpox. And one day, he himself was attacked by the smallpox. It was a severe attack, and finally, on 30th March 1664, Guruji left for heavenly abode. He was just 8 years old. People asked Guruji, now who will be, when Guruji was about to die, people asked Guruji, now who will be our next guide, who will be our next Guru? Guruji said, Baba Bakale. Today is the आगमन दिवस ऑफ द 8th Guru Ji, Shri Harkrishan Ji. Again I'll repeat, Shri Harkrishan te आइए, जिस डिठे सब दुख जाए. Thank you very much.